After spending 2 weeks with the OnePlus 15, I can confidently say this phone surprised me far more than I expected. I went in thinking it would be another attempt from OnePlus to stand out, just for the sake of being different. Instead, the OnePlus 15 feels like the first time the company stopped trying too hard and simply focused on what really matters. And honestly, that shift alone impressed me more than anything else. The first thing that threw me off was the design. When I first saw the phone, I couldn't believe how plain it looked. No curved screen, no alert slider, no bold OnePlus identity. Just a very simple, almost iPhone-like design. At first, it felt like a downgrade. But after using it daily, the practicality started to make sense. The flat frame makes it easier to grip and less likely to get damaged from a fall. The flat screen makes putting on a screen protector painless, and the upgraded IP rating gives you peace of mind in real-world situations. Sure, I still think OnePlus could have added a bit more personality, but in exchange you get a tougher, more usable phone. Then there's the camera. On paper, everything suggested the camera would take a step back. A smaller main sensor, and no more Hasselblad branding. But after hundreds of shots, the results surprised me. Photos look more natural, the colors are warmer, and the harsh, over-sharpened look from past OnePlus phones is finally gone. The new 26-megapixel default mode captures great detail, especially in daylight, and night photos no longer look like a wild HDR experiment. It's not perfect. The ultra-wide camera produces noticeably colder tones, and some features like adding portrait blur to regular photos are missing. But overall, this is the first time in years I didn't feel like I was using a mid-range camera on a flagship OnePlus phone. It feels like real progress. Performance, though, is the part I need to highlight. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside this phone is an absolute monster. Whether you game casually or heavily, you can feel the power instantly. Even under long gaming sessions, the phone simply refuses to throttle. OnePlus clearly optimized cooling and performance here, turning this into a low-key gaming device. The 165Hz refresh rate helps too, even if only a few games support it. When they do, you definitely feel the advantage. And OnePlus isn't squeezing your wallet the way certain fruity companies do. The base model already gives you 12GB of LPDDR4X Ultra RAM and 256GB of storage. But honestly, the extra 100 for the 16GB 512GB model is absolutely worth it. Combined with OnePlus' famously smooth animations and snappy Oxygen OS feel, the whole experience is incredibly fast. Now let's talk about the thing that blew me away the most: battery life. A massive 7,300 mAh battery puts this phone in a completely different league. Compare that to the 5000 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, at nearly twice the price, and the difference becomes almost unfair. In testing, the OnePlus 15 delivered more than 30 hours of light use, 12 hours of YouTube streaming, and nearly 14 hours of gaming. That's ridiculous for any flagship. For me, it consistently lasted 2 full days even with heavy use. And when it finally does need charging, it goes from empty to full in about 45 minutes. It's so good that you start forgetting battery anxiety was ever a thing. Of course, nothing is perfect. The software still feels too much like an iOS imitation. Some apps aren't well optimized, with awkward spacing and odd font sizes. The screen hits almost 500 nits of brightness, but needs better anti-reflection coating. Software support stops at 4 years, which trails behind Samsung and Google. And there's no Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. Even the speakers, while loud, get muddy at high volumes. None of these issues ruin the experience, but they stop the OnePlus 15 from being a full mainstream flagship killer. So is the OnePlus 15 the phone to buy in 2025 or 2026? If you want the absolute best camera system, Apple and Samsung still hold the crown. But if you're fine with a very good camera and you want incredible battery life, blazing performance, super fast charging, and a much friendlier price tag, then yes, the OnePlus 15 deserves a serious look.